Ebusuafo said the mamu enim no eye yan kasa yen papa Captain Smart wo ye wo bi a chese dodo na etie no enam said the wo kasa akukudra wo na wo nsuro obia se wo ye panyi so ye akwada wo timi bo eye akire eno na dodo na hu ne se ne kasa ye ne said wo ye yin de wo ya de pa wo bo eye aban panimfo achi timamufo ma wo mo ensan efri wo mo enioma wo mo eye a entwa ye no ehu na abusuafo wa kan machese nensem kayenu bi ekotia yen kasa yen papa Kwame Jokoto aya chese wo no ba ne sinitwa o twasini na nse na se ni sini hyeda ma bonte otaya advert nso de ema enkofukuo ebi na se nnwumakuo ebi nso eka ho na Captain Smart ko kan sim bi de fa no ho se wo no ye political and as a politics ena wodi ache eno nti na ma chese ne career na nneoma ye de air flopping de keka eye ehum na wo rap politics mu just because of money no ho nkoliba na no na ama ene de ya me no wo kase Kwame Jokoto wani Kofi Adoma wa wani etwetwe eye enkomo no wode ensem bi atuja na wo chemu esem ye Captain Smart ne kwampo no oni akwanya bia so wo kasa edi etia politician bia ewo memu because wo no enwoma waye no so wakaso wo bobo eso a ade besa ade bechi enya ade se wonu obenya ne wutwabre ewo wo man Ghana emu na abusua ye papa yi abro eye ensem so pa eye na ye bekwa kwakoti na ansa na no mekai mo ese Ochade Herbal Center se yare biara ete wo so wo so wo baso wunua bi eso se ye ntehye wa yare se ye diabetes oba na wo pa wo na wunya bema wo syphilis gonorrhea low sperm count eni nyina no wo eho aduro ewo ho no menunti fane number ewo screen no eso na ene no entwetwe enkomo na yare no asie etu na abusuafo ye to ye papa Kwame Jokoto ensem no so no man kotie ne nsem oka edefa Captain Smart ho ne ye ba ye beto aso
sa Captain Smart ot radio so na o kasa na Jokoto ko mu talent ewu na she na captain wa mon kan kire no me I don't work for Pretoria. I'm no. Me everything adibia me ye bia me nim. I know why I'm doing it. And I believe in honesty. He insulted me by me person me call nasem. Oh, when you were in Kumasi, when you were working at Fox FM, yanko police when you were that era na we ejuma Kumasi, yanko police station. No police for them we book. Criminal cases in Kotia report. What to say me police case?
But it's a report will be criminal if even it is true. It doesn't.
So person no to my question. Until you're a man or bread. Nagi after your church story by story. Intimidate see what some man headline. What I said because I was surprised. Say no talent to say na we show talent. Na aden no be can say or politics mark we na. Debut. So we cross adwin now. Let it be in your mind. So no be politics mark we because that is your mind say oh no politics for money fine now when we want to talk about you even when they were contesting the last time when this one first comes one more say chama Western media for
why
dey na koi any more na to say me I blame my party on it no but to say atisem na dey
now say this we always say we are discount movie but
and into the market said some man a headline.
So it could be say now take because you don't have facts such as say man is all much
say dairy madeno you know I just don't want to talk too much about the issue because some of us no he's even not honest. I just say so can about politicians. I'm surprised that this station wasn't in TV Media General TV3 Kofan. Now I'm more employee you don't watch about the background and I said ekro we so there. Hey, now there only when he went out, we see the other year, even the former employers. You see that trying to bring a whole empire down. Now you're not only quitting before. At the amount we be an idiot, what they better to form. It is some about. Huh?
He's a talent. He's worked with Adam.
Massa, you got talent. You got Massa.
Angel. Very perfect.
Massa, please. You got talent. You got talent.
The company shouldn't employ him.
There you. Hey,
they are looking for
talent. Image they are better the Uber. We imagine about sign company. Na me kase. yakasa talent ni de who use your friend saying what is not scripted ade aya ade ma obi akasa hey it is as if this one is formatted. Hey, now where your talent? What the newspaper na since you are Adabraka. Hello honorable, you are Adabraka. You can say hey your talent. Achiakai. Nan can be able to make a morning shows. Hey daddy. And the only thing he's doing is he's insulting the elderly just to make fame. One say call one of your chance what don't to be the time. Where is he? As I know man you abonon. On can me I would men am say me activity I would never engage him. Since anyway we do it and na no ye na Ghana from why da here na so no friend asembia na ebetin na so emi ayen de nti no na amala won't waste my time let's watching him because he doesn't educate me. You're like a talenter. Go where you wanna why your researcher you offend then what is his name? I've learned no interview no be with yes. What why gonna you juma? Even those they are comic. I want to wale a comic relief. Caleb Kudeb. Well, the front page, then with there, yes, this is talent working with passion. And then yasam now what did it? Mama on your door, you know, cheek. Marker Kruby. None of my politicians almost come away years and then I have for that. I will walk my say, or cook car depot, cabin car renters. Or your dog high cow, or the car leak a chimney, or the tomb was all test taboo. Why is I not do what I leg away? Accra. I will obey you, maybe need as some okay. I say I have uncensored thoughts. That is me. Minion non make some from free. Uncle, watch Limpo. And I was what to say, and I talk when I afternoon. I know some of us we don't like being in those things. We think something else. Cry. We want to surprise some of you people. Hey, I know Captain Smart. I don't know. Oba nkran fofula because ni station all day abrechi funite na de. Anya abrechi misafo no do won tribudo. Mam $20,000 me dey. No do want to ano say. Say anya no kra.
Hey, interview man check him say.
Okay, so we'll see.
On his side of the story.
Na chikana say.
Okay, he gets
some so kana say.
Man no be.
Hey.
Now get come.
There be anya the sa, but you see, you don't take advantage of the vulnerable. That's my problem. Obia, you know, who for now saying, will be just why they speed up, Beman in Atna, who will take advantage. And would there, what could Bomumpo and Umpo and lose guard? What's an agent account?
Now I was your force said or didn't some no to a jar and not just say, ever pay criminal cases, baby. I know ye Juma Fox FM crampo just saying, no ma. Why ye nuntin ne ho ansem egu nkrata mu krampo gu won krampo no o tro challenge e de amano se so wo boa wo mra na won fa meme wo so na ne ye nhwe ha nkakrom hanom enya de se ye beko hanom krampo because wo de ba ono susu e de ebeba ababa be hia eye enu abusianfo ne nsem a wo ka no enyina no is it because of say wo kasa na say ye because of say wo ye NDC amanyoko no enu ti na e ma na kasa ana de work and wonim de work because ansa na ye kasa ni friend ni obeto eboabo no na ne nan ejina eye ebi eso de nipa no woni na etu anamo ana se de won hunu no eno na worka ebe maako na wo mo eheda fabricate eye ensem hihye se de ebe ya obetimi aka bibi e de ato obi eso na so ye share out of e bi atena emu be 1% pe na ya na wo mo yes anyoman ba 9% wo mu ede obo na ade a wo hunu wo nipa no ho ana ni etuemu ebie na ya na wo mo ba bonten ebebe ka bai omo bebe kan enam sem we ejina amanyoko we ya na so wo jina we afenti no na ya bo agu se eyesi eneyesi yitie papa ajukuto ensem ode atu edwe ya sei na wo hunu esi efa na se yesa ede a na enu ntinu sem wo bi aye bibi pen anase se wo bi ene ye bia wo dan na die emre bi no se entwe ya enu nti emma na kwenya se wo bi ye de ense enfata wontimi enka na because o se mawi ade da na ene magai kro no bom na enu ntimi hu so bi ade a me ntimi enka nche nipa ne se wonjaya ana de ye papa jogoto ekan won so waje nche efa ho anything fabra ebebetu edwa e wo too much GH comment section na like videos no share e all the social media platform as follow yen e your IG page and your Twitter page so too much GH _ Facebook and so too much GH media any equia sikapa that's ne ye besan edi ehia ebi makram